George here. I removed a couple of capacitors from this ISA Creative Sound card. So I'm going to put these capacitors back on. I remove these using the hot air station. I'm just going to clean up the area, clean up the old flux here. Just clean up as best as possible. Oh, now I got that didn't work out very good. What ended up happening was I got Q-tip hair everywhere. That's not good. Yeah, I just need to really soak the Q-tip or something. Q-tip hair is never a good thing. So we will just get some rubbing alcohol here and just again soak that up. Yeah, the flux is awfully sticky, that is for sure. Okay, need a little more light. Okay, that's great. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to move my solder over here. This is my little solder holder. And I'm just going to put a dab of solder onto one side of each capacitor. Just put a dab of solder. Oh, that is beautiful. Now, put the capacitor back. Go use my tweezers and grab the capacitor. Tiny, tiny, tiny components. Give you an idea. It's between two ends of this tweezer here, which you can't really see. It's about the size of an ant. So, probably what I should have done. I'm going to solder this by hand. Probably should have put the solder on the left side, because that is where you know, the right side, because I'll be soldering from the right. So let me just, I'm going to be soldering left-handed here, even though I'm right-handed. Put that in place, using the microscope to see what I'm doing. This takes a lot of practice because I keep letting go of the capacitor with my tweezers. This is microscopic. This is working on the microscopic level here, man. Press it down. These tweezers weren't exactly made for this job, by the way. But they're the only tweezers I have. I do have in my Amazon shopping cart more appropriate tweezers for the job. They cost like $5 a piece, though. So you get a different set of tweezers here. Look at the flat-headed ones. Maybe that'll work better for me. If I would drop this capacitor onto the floor, I'd never see it again. There we go. That worked like a charm. And then what I would do is I would just put a dab of solder on the other end of the capacitor. We're turning it that way. Beautiful. Now, if I was to use the hot air station to put this back on, what I would do is, well, let's first clean up the solder I have on the second pad here. Okay, that's cleaned up. And I'm going to put a little bit of flux on the pads. A little dab will do. Okay. Actually, I should have put solder on it. I'll put solder on this now. Not a perfectly straight job here, but hey, I'm just learning how to do this. I need to get right. And I'm going to turn the hot air station on. Fire station is on. 25C, 198C. While that's warming up, let's place the capacitor where I want it to be. And let it drop in place. Okay. In theory, this should automatically move into position, even though it's 400 and some odd Celsius. Try this with the hot air. Wow, it does move into position. It just kind of sort of automatically aligns. Yep, yeah, it just automatically aligns itself right on the pads. That is. Hot air station off. And let's see if we can get a view of my soldering job here. Let's try to find my link to the webcam here.